Morning, so we're here at Porth Ysgaden on the Llyn Peninsula. We're out, it's currently, well, sunrise was 7 AM, so it's probably about 20 past 7 now. I'm here with, we've got Paul Glover there and Carl from the fishing squad. Built the YouTube channel, check out Carl's channel and Paul's. And we're targeting wrasse and pollock. Just got the ledger out, 2 up flat we got, ragworm. The car's just cast right over me, to be honest, so I'm probably going to get snagged with this chuck. But it's a lovely morning, a little bit windy, so whether this sounds bad or not I might have to delete the volume and talk over